Hello, this is Nisha Leonora.
Hi, I'm Henry Vincent Daniel.
This video is about the Six Sigma, the practices of the HR.
What is Six Sigma? Six Sigma is a data drive methodology used to improve business process by reducing defects and enhancing quality. It follows the DMAIC framework: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control.
Six Sigma tools. Six Sigma tools, there are various types like improve, control, define, measure, analyze. Improve is telling about the Kanban and Kaizen. Control, the fire system and statistical process control. Define, value stream mapping, FMEA. Measure, Pareto chart and histogram. Analyze, the 5A wise fishbone diagram.
We discuss about description. Define. Identify the project goal and customer, internal and external requirements. Measure. Measure the process to determine current performance, collect relevant data for future comparison. Analyze. Analyze and determine the root cause of the defects. Improve. Improve the process by eliminating defects. Control. Control future process performance to ensure that any deviation from the target are correct before the result in defect. Key concepts of Six Sigma: critical to quality,
Attributes most important to the customers,
defects,
failure to deliver what the customer value,
process capability,
what process can deliver,
variation,
what the customer see and feels,
stable operations,
ensuring the consistent, predictable process to improve what the customer sees and feel,
design,
design to meet customer needs and process capability.
DMAIC: define, measure, analyze, improve, control. Define. In this step, the team clearly define the problem and establish improvement objectives. Understanding the current situation, identifying stakeholders, and setting success criteria are essential.
Measure. During this phase, the team collects relevant data about the process. Measurement is vital to understand current performance, identify variations, and determine the extent of the existing problems.
Analyze. The analyze stage involves delving into the data gathered in the previous steps to identify root cause. Statistical tools are often employed to identify patterns and trends that might be contributing to the issue.
Improve. By understanding the root causes, the team develops and implements solutions. These are tested and adjusted as needed before final implementation.
Control. The final step focuses on maintaining and monitoring the improvement. Control systems are established to ensure that changes remains effective in the long run. This involves defining key performance indicators and KPIs and creating a monitoring plan. Six Sigma builds. Six Sigma certification. Champion,
Master Black Belt MBB,
Black Belt BB,
Green Belt GB,
Yellow Belt YB. Champion, leader of the organization, decide project based on business need, sponsor of the project definer, promoter, supporter, and source provider.
Master Black Belt MBB, assistant and advisor to champions, stay in the touch with the champions, understand the requirement from the champion, supports BB as mentor, bottleneck identifier, monitor and remover, teaches and spreads express about the Six Sigma methodology.
Black Belt BB, full-time project leader, drives complex projects, supports Green Belt, trains, educates, supports and guides GB and YB. Stay in touch with champions and MBB.
Green Belt GB, part-time team leader with the additional responsibility of the project, drives less complex projects, have basic working knowledge for Six Sigma projects, focus on usage of adequate standard statistical tools.
Yellow Belt YB, support team member in projects, engage in data collection, process monitoring and implementation at shop floor level. Thank you.